Hello children, today we will begin Unit 6 Division. Division is equal sharing or equal grouping. It is the reverse process of multiplication. Each multiplication fact gives us two division facts, and it is repeated subtraction also. It means we can use repeated subtraction to get answer. In the process of division, we have dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, where dividend means the number which we divide, or a number to be divided by another number. Divisor, a number by which another number is to be divided, or we can say a number by which we divide. Quotient, the result of dividing one number by another, or you can say the result obtained. And remainder is the number left over. After division, we can cross-check it. For that, we will use this formula. That is, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder, or dividend minus remainder is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient. Let us solve this example. Write the division facts for the given multiplication fact, that is 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So we can write it as 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, or 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. We can solve it as 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, or 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Number 2. Write the multiplication facts for the given division facts. And you can see it is written 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. So we will write it as 8 multiplied by 10 is equal to 80, or 10 multiplied by 8 is equal to 80. Number B, 96 divided by 8 is equal to 12. So we can solve it as 12 multiplied by 8 is equal to 96, or 8 multiplied by 12 is equal to 96. Let's solve this example. That is, divide the following and cross-check your answer. Divide 72,890 by 11. First, we consider the leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 7. Since 7 is smaller than 11, the divisor, we cannot divide 7 by 11. Then we consider the number formed by the two digits, that is 7 to 72. As you can see, 7 is smaller than 11, so we cannot divide 7 by 11. So we consider 72, and now we will divide 72 by 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77. We can see 77 is greater than 72, so we will consider 66, that is 11 6 are 66. Since 6 is greater than 2, so we will borrow 1 from 7. So it will be 12. 12 minus 6, yes, 6. And 6 minus 6, 0. We can write 0 or we can put cross. Now we will write 8. Because 6 is smaller than 11 and we cannot divide, so we will consider 2 digits, that is 6 8 68. And we know, children, that 11 6 are 66. So we will write 6. 8 minus 6 will be, yes, 2. 6 minus 6, 0. Since 2 is smaller than 11, so we will take 9. 11 twos are 22. So 9 minus 2 will be 7. 2 minus 2 will be 0. Since 7 is smaller than 11, so we will take 0 also. Now we will divide 70 by 11. And that will be 11 6 are 66. Since 6 is greater than 0, so we will borrow 1 from 7. So it will be 10. 10 minus 6, correct, 4. And 6 minus 6, 0. So children, we can see that 72,890 is the dividend. 11 is known as divisor. 6,626 will be quotient and 4 will be remainder. Now we will cross check our answer. We know that for cross check we use dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So dividend will be 72,890. Divisor 11. Quotient 6,626. And we have remainder 4. Now we will multiply 6,626 and 11. As you can see, when we will multiply 6,626 and 11, answer will be 72,886. So we will write its product, that is 72,886. And then we will plus 4. So 72,886 plus 4 will be 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So we will have 72,890. So after cross check, we get the answer, that is dividend 72,890. Therefore, the answer is correct. Please check homework of previous video, that is lattice multiplication. Check it very carefully. Don't forget to learn multiplication table from 2 to 16. and try to write multiplication table from 12 to 16 every day. Let me remind you again, children, that this won't be repeated in the classroom. So try to learn it very carefully. You can see the video again and again, or you can follow my PDF files also. And now note down your homework. That is question number 1, A to J of exercise 6B. Take care of yourself, keep smiling, make others happy. Thank you.